good morning guys, and welcome back to Kiroky Fraco's channel, and we're back in the gym. I am with hubby. He's over there doing something, but anyway, he's coming. We are going to do warm up. So jog in place. This is for 1 minute. Okay, so second warm up, jumping jack. Third warm up, 30 seconds on the right and then 30 seconds on the left. So that is 1 minute. Okay, and then the other one. Very good. So that is our 3 warm-ups. Okay guys, let's start sa ating first exercise. Ang kailangan lang natin dito is stepper like this. Pero kung wala kayo nito, you can have anything, pero dapat stable. So ganito lang siya. Up, down. Up, down. Okay, let's go. 1. Relax lang yung kamay. You can put your hand on your hips if you want for more support. Okay, let's proceed to our second exercise. Let's start. Okay, walang pahinga dito. So next. Okay.
Put your fucking hands up.
like jumping jack in a stepper. Okay, so that is our final exercise. Let's do some stretching.
Put your fucking hands up.
Hey guys, thank you and see you on our next video. God bless you. Paalam.